So in today's video, I'm gonna be cutting my hair bald. What's good YouTube, man? It's your boy Tariq and welcome back to another video. So hey man, if you're new here, this channel is about self-cut barbering, teaching you how to cut your own hair step by step, you know what I'm saying? So as you read from the title and the thumbnail of this video, today I'm gonna be resetting my hair. I'm gonna be cutting my hair bald, man. You know what I'm saying? So before y'all get crazy as to why I'm doing this, listen, pay attention, and subscribe for more. So y'all are probably wondering, dog, why are you cutting my own hair? Well, there's a few reasons. A lot of people think that cutting your hair bald means that you messed up. No, but in barbering, restarting is actually an advantage. It's your way of growing, venturing out to new things, and also experiencing new things, basically, if that makes sense. So with that being said, there's 3 reasons as to why I'm cutting my hair bald. Number 1, for those of y'all that know me personally, and for those of y'all that don't know, I've had waves, right? I've had waves for a very long time, and quite frankly, I'm bored of it. So what I'm trying to do now is grow out my hair, right? I want to grow out my hair evenly and not just have the top. Before I started waving, I had a high top, and when I waved, I still had a high top. So now what I'm trying to do is grow out my hair evenly. Probably rock a taper, probably just rock an afro, I don't know, but for now I just want a whole new hairstyle, right? Number 2, it's the new year, bro. It's the new year 2026, you know what I'm saying? A year full of new experiences, a year of growth, a year of transformation, you know what I'm saying? Discipline, you feel me? And what's the best, or let me say, what's the first step in transformation? Transforming how I look physically, new hairstyle, you know what I'm saying, and other things that lead on to that. But without any further ado, I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to waste you guys' time. Let's get into the video. Let's get into the equipment that you're gonna need. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I even had to change, dog. I told myself, I'm like, you know what? I don't gotta drip on here. Like, why every time when I come here, I have to like drip? No, bro. Like people don't care about what you are wearing. They care about the content that you are providing. So yeah, bro. That's what I told myself. So hey, man, it's yeah, bro. Hey, look. Not gonna lie, I can't believe that I'm actually doing this. I never thought that I would actually ever do this. The last time I did this, the last time I like went bald was like when I first started cutting hair. Cause I'm not gonna lie, that first like fade that I did, I messed myself up badly, dog. I messed up badly, so I had no choice but to like go bald. There was no way that I was going to like cover that up, let it grow in, cause my shit was crazy. My shit was crazy. Hopefully y'all can hear me, dog. I don't wanna lie. Dog, I need to like buy mics, bro. I bought a mic this one time, and then I ended up losing the foam thing. So whenever I try to like use the mic like that, it's trash. Like the quality of it's trash, bro. Yeah, dog. So hey, let's get into this, bro. Another reason as to why I'm cutting my hair, the 3rd reason I forgot to mention, right? Spiritual reasons, basically, if that makes sense. Spiritual reasons. Dog, 2025 was the worst year of my life. Yo, 2025 was the worst year, dog. I was going through it. So I'm trying to like it's a form of spiritual symbolism. Like, since I'm leaving, I'm entering the new year, so I'm leaving everything that I had in 2025, which is also this, like, what's up under this cap, you see? Yeah, because the last time I cut my hair was somewhere the 16th, I forgot, but that was the last time I cut my hair in 2025. This video is long overdue. I'm supposed to have like been done this around December, but then I told myself that nah, bro. I'm entering the new year, so do it on the new year, like the first few days of January. Today is the like what? Today is the 1st of January. Yeah, today is the 1st of January. 1st of January of the new year 2026. So now I'm doing this, bro. Let me do it. Let me do it. You feel me? So yeah, man. Take this hat off, bro. Y'all even see, dog, like it's gone. Like the waves are gone, bro. I want nothing to do with these things anymore. You get me? Yeah, man. Let the boy know, dog. Let the boy know. So guys, tell me, man, how was your New Year's, bro? No, not like, yeah. How did you celebrate the New Year's? You know what I'm saying? What like New Year's resolution do you have for yourself for this year? What are your hopes and dreams? What are you gonna do differently this year that you didn't do in the previous years? So on and so forth. Me, the first thing is getting my mental right, getting my what's this? My spiritual health right, like getting one with. I don't need this towel, bro. No. Getting one with God. You feel me? And also being consistent here. Right now we're trying to build a brand, we're trying to build an empire, trying to build a nation. That's why I go by Rick Nation. Trying to build a nation. So I have to like be consistent. Yeah, bro. And also, how was your year 2025, dog? How's the year 2025 for you guys, bro? Me, dog, let me tell you guys one thing now. For this year, one thing I told myself is I'm just gonna like solely focus on me down. I'm gonna solely focus on me, just like get where I wanna get in life before I like entertain other aspects or other variables. You see, cause the year 2025, though, things were good. Things were like in the beginning, things were good until I decided to get into a relationship. The relationship was good. When the relationship ended, though, that's when my life started to, for real. So hey, man. The year about females and what that dude, nah. I think I'm gonna take a break from females for now, bro. I feel like each and every time my nigga gets into a relationship, nonsense happens. So let me chill with Hans for a while. So let's do this, bro. Let's do it. Are we actually gonna do this? Are we actually gonna do this? Yeah, fuck it, bro. Let's go, dog. Let's do it. Yeah, my bad, y'all. I had to like do like a quick. Oh, boy. Yeah. Que altura. Isso não acontece. Jogo. Não acontece. 2026. I had to like take a picture for my thumbnail very quickly.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just took a couple of minutes.
So what is it again? Jeez. Well, I have not like seen my head like this in a long time though. Hey. Bro, look at this, bro, look at this. And this is the problem. The problem is, you see right here, where like there used to be like bang dye, bro. There used to be like a lot of dye. So I feel like this thing permanently dyed my skin. whatever the hell is going on here, dog. It permanently dyed my skin, bro. Yo, guys, me, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna go out in public like this, bro. I'm never gonna go out in public like this. Me, dog. One thing about me, even small. The reason why I did this because I know that I'm not gonna allow myself to go outside anywhere looking like this. Never. Even to church. I'm not going to the church. Like for the next 2 weeks, I don't think I'm gonna go to church because I'm gonna be like really busy like doing this. I'm really busy doing like trying to like grow my hair, bro. At least now like my hairline can like go out evenly. Man, that's the one thing that I'm like excited about, low-key. Alright, now I'm just gonna like stop yapping and like finish this because I have to go somewhere. My mom is sending me somewhere, so I'm just gonna like play music, try and like fast forward this, and then we're gonna get into the next segment or the next clip, I guess. You know what I'm saying? So let me do this quickly, catch up. You know what's the one thing I told myself? Imagine like I do all of this now, and then like my hair no longer grows. That would be crazy, dog. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I went like too bald, but it's cool. It's cool. I don't know how long is it gonna take for it to like grow, dog. That's the one thing that I'm like contemplating. And if you see this, all these spots and everything, this is the dye, dog. I used to like dye my hair every time I like cut my hair. Now I feel like this thing like permanently damaged my skin or something, because bro, this is ridiculous, you know? Dog, I'm not seeing my head like this in a while. I'm not gonna lie, I kinda look like my father does. Yo! I will put a picture of him right up here, and then y'all can like tell me, y'all can like compare the two. Don't we look similar, bro? This is crazy, dog. And normally when I do this, I get like such anxiety, but now it's like, bro, it's whatever, dog. It's hair, dog. Hair will grow back. Hair will grow back. Let me see. But yeah, that's it. I think I got it for the most part. I got everything. Hopefully there's no strands of hair left. Yeah, no, I'm good. What do you guys think, bro? I know y'all are gonna like talk crazy in the comments, but what do you guys think? You know what I'm saying? Now that that's done, because I have to go to where like my mom sent me, and then I'm gonna come back and like finish this and like do the outro for you guys. You feel me? But for the most part, this is done. Now for the spirits, I put spirits in here. Yes, it's a, what is this? Spray, whatever, man. From cosmetics, but I put spirits in here, basically. So, woo! I wonder how this thing will feel like that, man. Yo. That burns. So what this does, I mean, you all know what this does. I don't need to explain what this does to you guys. But this, yeah, y'all get it. They just make sure that I get no infections, no razor bumps, no nothing. I'm not gonna shave this because I shaved the last time. I'm just gonna let it like grow in. But yeah, bro. This is it for the most part, dog. This is it for the most part, man. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. I don't know, you can see like two color, dog. You see? Yeah, my head is light as hell. Yeah, it's dark. Bro. Yeah, man. I look like a monk, like a Shaolin warrior. I'm not gonna lie to you. Peek this. Look at this. Look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at this. This is 2025. This is 2025. Gone. This is 2025 gone, bro. Is this something that I plan on doing in the future? Hell no. I'm never gonna do this again. I don't know. Something may happen that might require me to go bald again, but that is in rare cases. But this is nothing that I just like tell myself that I'm gonna do. You see? So yeah, man, from this point on, I don't know, like I said, I'm gonna grow my hair. I don't know what I'm planning on doing. Might grow an afro. I think I'll figure it out once my hair is longer. Like once I have the hair, I'll figure out what to do with it. I don't want to grow it like too much. You see, I don't want to grow it to the point where as I can braid it. Nah, dog, that's too much maintenance. I ain't got the time and energy for that. I'm not gonna lie. I already got tired of the waves, so imagine. Nah, bro. But who knows? I might do something. But yeah, man, that's it for the video, bro. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Yes, getting your screenshots, clip it, laugh, talking to you, Kato, laugh, do whatever, bro. And yeah, it's your boy Tyreek, man. As we start the year 2026, may you guys have a blessed year, a year full of, hopefully you guys achieve everything that you want to, every goal, every plan that you have for yourself for this year, may you achieve it. And come along with me on my journey, my journey, my hair growth journey. I think I'm gonna be documenting these every 2 weeks. And yeah, man, catch y'all in the next video. Gang.
Need Jesus to actually win, bro. We took our time to make these rhymes tight. The pen kept writing.